Buongiorno tutti. I'm a little sick today, so I'm staying in bed. And I thought it would be kind of fun to show you guys what's on Italian TV. Because Italian TV is a special kind of TV. So, anyways, for those who are just interested in what TV looks like here in Italy, I never watch television except for when I'm in bed, like I am today. And I just think it's funny. So, anyways, let's take a look. So, here's a daily talk show, and they're talking about the weather. It's pretty sunny. It's very windy here today. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it is storming out. It's almost like a hurricane. Listen to that. Anyways, I'm snuggling in bed watching TV. Let's see what else is on. The news. Should we vaccinate young people? Okay, I'm sick of that conversation. Moving along. What is this? Some commercials. Commercials here are always about food. And Italians eat these cookies for breakfast. Every Italian person, all they eat for breakfast is cookies and coffee. That is it. There's no cereal. There's no eggs. Nothing. It's sweets in the morning. Anyways, this is boring. Let's move on. Oh, look, more cookies. They love cookies here. And they love coffee. Look at that. I don't like these pod coffee things. They annoy me. It's so much plastic. I don't drink coffee actually, but just what a waste of plastic. Anyways, let's see what else we can find on here. They have a lot of crazy, weird, like shows from the 80s, and like they have I Dream of Jeannie and Columbo still playing. Let's see, the news here, something with the military. Vaccine, vaccine, vaccine. Okay, I'm moving on from that. Don't want to watch any of that. So this is what Italian news people look like. We're talking about AI here. And the women, I love this, in Italian television, the women are always dressed like they're from the 1980s. Very sexy. And the men are always just like these scruffy guys. It's so weird. Everybody's scruffy except for the women. They're all like big tits, big lips, tanned, perfect like Versace hair. So here we go. Here's a perfect example of how they dub things. So they speak over in Italian. It's annoying as hell because they'll even laugh, and it's so annoying. Like you will see Robert De Niro being dubbed, and it's wrong. Oh, €9 for all of this crap. Oh, €9 times 12. So. €9,80 al mese. And then they have a lot of shopping, like QVC type stuff. It's always very expensive and awful, like clothes. Like, I'm not into this. Next. And this bra is like the most talked about thing in Italy, I feel like. It's €60 for this bra. That's like $80. Oh, cool. Travel show. I would watch this. Bangladesh. That's cool. I've never been. But I love anything that has Buddhas in them, so. Okay, more commercials. Let's see. Some American show. Very suspenseful. Actually, there's a lot of Canadian shows, like super lame Canadian shows out here. See, so it's a lot of dubbing. Lame. Moving on. Some movies. My favorite show is this dating show. They have like Blind Date in Italy. It's so funny. And I can actually understand it. They have a lot of housing shows. Like Buy and Sell. This is Buy and Sell. But they're all like 10 years old. So they're old. Again, dubbed. Always dubbed. Which drives me crazy because I read lips, and then when I don't see the words matching up with the lips, it just throws me off, and then I can't understand anything. Like Little House on the Prairie. Who has ever seen? I have not seen Little House on the Prairie. 30 years. Anyways, all these random like old shows. They do a lot of cooking shows. A lot. And what are these women making? Pasta? So anyways, this is what I would watch to learn Italian. This is like easy Italian to start learning, just cooking. Oh, look, more cooking shows. This is Il Menù di Benedetta. This woman is always on television, the one in the sparklies. And they just cook all day long. It's just a continuous cooking show. Some random Canadian show that nobody knows about. Oh, that's my favorite show. I love this show. Primo Appuntamento. Oh, she's a lesbian. This show is amazing. So they have these people meet at this restaurant, and it's a blind date, and they film everything. And I don't think it's fake. I mean, I think it's authentic. I think it's real. And it's my favorite show. It's so beautiful. Sometimes people meet and they fall in love and then they get married, and it's really cute. So I'll probably be watching this. It looks like it's almost over. Aw, they don't look like they had a good connection. Aw. There was this couple on here that were elderly, and they met, and he proposed to her 2 years later on the show, and then they got married, and I was crying. It was awesome. And that's the host. Again, scruffy Italian men. And then look at the women. You see, even the bartender. But let me say, guys, let's be real here. Italian men are the most handsome men in the world. No way around it. The women are beautiful too. I'm not saying that. They're not the most beautiful. I feel like Colombian women are way more beautiful. But you know, women are beautiful everywhere. But I'm just saying, as in a general sense, Italian men, oof. That's why I married one. The most handsome one. You see this woman? She's perfect. Big lips, straight hair. She was married. And the men are always very well dressed here. You will never find a man ever in like flip-flops. My next door neighbor will mow the lawn in slacks and a button-down shirt and dress shoes. And it's crazy. I have never seen him wear a pair of sneakers. Never. Always well dressed. Always just like they're going to church. That's how people dress here. Like they're going to church every day. You know, the Californian hippy dippy shit does not go over well here. So kind of sucks for me, but I'm trying to change my style, try to be more chic. But it's just not in my blood. But I'm trying. People here do not wear flip-flops ever unless you're on the beach. So you do not go to the supermarket ever in sweats and flip-flops. Never. You always have makeup on. You always look like you're ready. Of course, I don't live like that. I mean, I do whatever I want. But anyways, this is my favorite show. I love it. Let's go on QVC. Look, 70 euros for this dress. Like, would you ever pay $100 for that? No. Lame. Super lame. Food Network. Stracciatella. This ice cream. Ice cream is a big deal, guys, in Italy. They are freaking crazy for ice cream, and they all eat it all the time. And I have to say, I never used to be a big ice cream person, but dear God, some of the flavors they have here, like pistachio, oh my gosh, it's divine. It really is divine. Yeah, but people here are very like competitive, and they talk a lot of shit. There's a lot of shit talking in the ice cream world. They're very serious about the ice cream here. So, old movies. I love old movies. And I love those old cars. This is a good thing to watch to learn Italian as well. Let's see. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go back to watch my dating show because I love it. I can't watch anything else. And then there's just a bunch of cartoons. So that's free television here in Italy. Oh, what's this? Nylon Pro Skin leggings. 64 euros. Like that, I'm sorry. When you shop on QVC, you shop because it's a great deal. Not $100 for a pair of leggings on sale. I'm sorry. No. Food Network. What? This is in English? Let's see here. No QVC. I'm sorry. Prima puntumento. This is where I'm going to hang out, guys. Anyways, I thought some of you might find it interesting to see what Italian television looks like. So maybe you don't. I don't know. I'm just sick in bed and thought I would share a little bit of Italian life here in this hurricane-y, super sunny and hot day, but very, very windy today. So I'll leave you with that, guys. Have a wonderful day. Baci, arrivederci, ciao.